In ancient warfare, espionage was crucial to gaining an advantage over the enemy. The army's affairs must be kept secret, closer than close. Rewards should be generous for intelligence gathered in secret, but secrecy must always be maintained. Only those with great wisdom can use espionage effectively. Espionage requires more than intelligence. Compassion and righteousness are also needed to employ spies effectively. This delicate balance requires great skill. Only those who truly understand the subtleties of espionage can truly master it. It is a skill that can be used in every aspect of life. Those who reveal secrets before they are ready will meet a grim fate. Both the spy and the one who is told the secret will perish. It is a dangerous game, but one that is essential in warfare. So remember, in the art of espionage, there are no boundaries. Every situation can benefit from a little bit of cunning and secrecy. Thanks for watching the video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights into ancient warfare tactics.